Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this beautiful 2019 Infiniti QX50 Essential with the Sensory package. It is loaded with almost every available option you can get in 2019, aside from a few options. This one we purchased from Infiniti, the manufacturer. This was likely a corporate demo. So if you're a representative or executive at Infiniti, they do give you vehicles to drive. It could have been a demonstration unit they used at auto shows, but it was never registered. This vehicle is only available for us to buy. You have to be an Infiniti franchise dealer to buy this vehicle from Infiniti. It only has 301 miles at the time of making this video. Very low miles, and it's Infiniti certified pre-owned, so it comes with all the benefits you normally get with a new Infiniti. And it also has a lifetime powertrain warranty, which is good at any Infiniti store in the country. That's something extra that we do here at Infiniti of Tacoma. New, this at an MSRP of about $55,000. Today at its sale price, it's a big discount from that. So if you like the options and color combination, it's a great value over a brand new one for something that's in near new condition. And for most people, it won't take too long to put 3,000 miles on a vehicle. So this is just a beautiful color combination in Hermosa blue on wheat leather. This one is a front wheel drive model. Why would a front wheel drive QX50 work for you? Well, if you live in the Puget Sound area, we don't get much snow. Couple inches a year. This will do fine in a couple inches of snow. I've lived out here for 15 years. I've never had a four-wheel drive vehicle. I've had front-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive vehicles. I've never really had an issue where I've gotten stuck. This has the weight of the engine over the front wheels and a great traction and stability control system, so it'll do fine in wet, slippery weather. Of course, maybe if you do drive over those snowy winter passes, you ski, maybe then you want an all-wheel drive, but a front-wheel drive will get a little bit better gas mileage. It'll have less service since you don't have to worry about servicing an all-wheel drive system, and it's going to be at a lower price point versus a comparable all-wheel drive model. This one has a beautiful upgraded leather interior, nice accents. You can see beautiful contrast stitching. Love the interior trim, and look at the two-tone trim that you have in the center console. Continues over to the dashboard. Nice stitching as well over there. Synthetic leather. It has a synthetic suede headliner as well. Huge panoramic roof. It actually opens as well. It's not just a roof panel, but it actually opens. And then if it gets too bright out, you have a sunshade to help dim things down. Heated and cooled front seats. There's a sunshade. And the cooled seats are actually air conditioned and not just ventilated, which has room temperature air, but it's actually cooled by the air conditioning system, so it feels really nice in those hot summer days. I have them on right now. Heated seats for the winter. Heated steering wheel. We have a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation. The rear parking camera. You have a 360-degree around view monitor. Moving object detection, backup collision intervention, so if you're backing up, a car drives behind you or someone walks behind you, it automatically will hit the brakes. You can also change views. There's a nice side view for parallel parking, then a wide angle view. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. This has direct adaptive steering, so it's steered by wire. So during normal driving conditions, there's no mechanical connection to the front wheels. It's all handled by computers and electric motors. And the whole idea is it filters out unwanted feedback. So if you hit a rut in the road or a pothole that sometimes will jerk the wheel, that won't happen with a direct adaptive steering. And you can take control over the feel of the steering. You can make it a fast, heavy steering ratio like a race car, or you can make it a lighter, slower steering ratio like a luxury car. There's also a parking setting, so when you're driving in the parking lot, you don't have to turn the wheel 50 times to make tight maneuvers, which is also a cool feature as well. And there is a mechanical backup, so if the steering system completely fails, there is a mechanical steering rack that will kick in so you can keep control of the vehicle. For those of you who might be concerned about trusting your lives to computers and electric motors, there is a mechanical backup. Great sounding Bose Performance Series audio system, adaptive cruise control that operates from 0 to 90 miles per hour. Actually has a Pro Pilot system, which is great for battling driver fatigue. It has a lane keep assist, which will make small steering corrections to keep you in the lane. Blind spot warning, blind spot intervention. Lane departure warning and lane departure intervention, forward collision warning, and forward emergency braking, with pedestrian detection. Look at this gorgeous Hermosa blue, the way it shines in the sun. It is an eye-catching color. Also the Century package, you get these upgraded 20-inch wheels. The stock wheels look okay, but I can tell you these 20-inch wheels really make the look of the QX50. If I bought one, I definitely want it with these wheels. Also have rear sunshades. For those with small kids, we know how important those are. Rear climate control, you have a USB to charge your phone. The rear seats recline, and they also slide back and forth, which is pretty uncommon in this vehicle class. And you can see I'm 6'2". I had plenty of space back there. Power rear liftgate. Cargo area cover. Those seats fold pretty much flat. This QX50 is backed by a 5-day 100% money back guarantee. We're going to make sure that you're happy with the vehicle you purchased from us. No restocking fees, no gimmicks. It is 100% money back. Beautiful LED headlights for outstanding nighttime visibility, and they also look really cool. Beautiful design. QX50 is a gorgeous vehicle, completely redesigned for 2019, features the latest Infiniti's technology, engineering, and one of the biggest technology points of this is this all-new variable compression turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It's actually the first production variable compression engine ever put in a vehicle. Infiniti has been working on this engine for 20 years. And the reason why they call it a variable compression engine is that it can mechanically change the compression ratio on the fly. So depending on the type of driving you're doing, if you're cruising along on the highway and you don't need a lot of power, you need better gas mileage, it'll change the compression ratio so the engine is more fuel efficient. But maybe you need to step on the gas to pass someone or to merge, or you just want to drive quickly, it'll change the compression ratio for the engine to make more horsepower for maximum output for excellent acceleration and performance. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.